Got this nice 2005 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. It's got like 112,000 miles. I'm gonna be searching through this car, looking for goodies, guns, weapons, drugs. I couldn't get into this car earlier, so I got a Ninja Rock busted out. Also, I can't get into this trunk. I had a security man earlier trying to break into it, as you can see. All right, gotta get my gloves real quick. Look at me. This is my attempt at trying to organize.
Hello.
You shut your mouth. I had enough of you. Funny man is back in prison. He's a little ticked off, but then again, he did steal a car. We did get into that crazy high-speed chase, as you can see in my last video. All right, let's see what's in here. Man, just from the looks of it, looks like there's gonna be a lot of good stuff here. Oh yeah. Guys, keep your fingers crossed for a gun. I want to thank everybody out there rooting me on my quest to find a gun. Really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much. I really hope I find at least some handcuffs, because I already promised somebody some handcuffs, so as soon as I find him, I've got to send them out to him. You know who you are. Look at this. Right off the top, guys, this is a piece to a gun. Maybe the rest of the gun is in here. Cup holder. Stock radio. Some type of device back here. Probably amplify the radio. Correct me if I'm wrong, but shouldn't this be inclined, not declined? I think this is backwards. Check out these nice and shiny spotlights. Unity. GPS cell phone mount. Hi guys, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, Mr. Mount. Security man right there making sure no criminals come after me. Bunch of wires, microphone mount, some type of magnifying glass. Ah! Oh, whoa, that thing is no joke, guys. Information on criminal history and how to clean up your record. Let me see that. Here you go.
I need this.
Security man needs that.
Thank you. Get it together.
Looks like we have a map light, computer mount, Spider's home. Oh, nice, nice. These are red and blue lights. Also, guys, I'm giving away these finger cuffs. Comment finger cuffs. According to the badge, this used to be a regional transit from Sacramento. See what kind of goodies I can find here. Jamba Juice gift card.
To retrieve your current Jamba card balance, please enter the last 14 digits of the Jamba card number shown on the back of your card. The current balance on your card is $2.
All right, $2. Fire extinguisher. Oh, this thing's heavy. And it looks like it's full. Awesome. I'm gonna have to do a cell extraction. Damn, that freaking funny man won't shut up. I said shut your mouth! Shut your mouth! Shut it! Bendix. This looks like brake pads. Oh, nice. These are brand spanking new. Nice. Thank you, Mr. Copper. Federal Signal Smart Siren. Pew, 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 pew. Looks like the controller. A video game controller. Headlight flasher. Whelen Super LED dash light. Cool. I wonder if it works. What is this? Please help. Stuck. The pigeons here taste horrible. Anything helps. Scissors. These freaking scissors are super strong. Look at that. This is some freaking heavy duty plastic. Autoclave. So like, get in here. Look at that. Yeah, yes. Fingers crossed that I find something good. Please be a gun. Please be a gun. Please be a gun. Please be a gun. Oh, another fire extinguisher. Oh, this thing is heavy. And this one is full. Awesome. Put it next to my other fire extinguisher. Oh, low jack. Wonder if that's worth anything. Is this some type of cop tent? What the heck? Oh, no way. Stop stick. These are the... Oh, awesome. These are those spike strips you see. We could have used these when we were chasing the funny man after he stole that van. And me and Drama Task Force got in a high-speed chase. What the heck? Warning, contains sharp spikes. Handle with care. Do not dismantle. So how the heck does this work? Do they just run it over and the spikes are in here? Do not use on motorcycles. Oh man. What the heck? I don't know if this thing is complete or is missing something. I have no idea. But on the next high-speed chase, I'm gonna use these.
Hey Rick,
Yo.
Funny Man's gonna need a little day room.
Okay.
Your call once a week is the bare minimum.
All right. Funny man,
Day room time.
coming out?
Coming out for day room or no? Yay or nay?
Coming out? Yeah?
Coming out? Alright.
All right, come on. Come on.
Go. Set you up over here.
You are a pill-popping bitch. And she did this. I'm not going to touch you, sir.
Seriously, funny man? You're in jail and you watch cops while you're in jail? That don't make any damn sense.
Here, you got a couple minutes. She's going. One of the girls bought her son. Eat that. I'm sorry. Chow time.
Chow time, funny man. Oh no.
Stop. Stop what you're doing. Put the weapon down. Put the weapon down.
I got my little helper here.
Hi.
He's a subscriber. He is also my nephew. All right, pull it. There's so much more to look for. No, don't do that. Don't do that. They got spikes. All right, he wants me to spray him with this thing. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, go. Go.
Oh, you are so lucky. Crime scene tents.
It's matches.
Keep away from children. Watch out.
They're gonna burn.
Here goes. Ah, ah, ah.
Baby dynamite.
You know how to use this?
Yep.
Hey, you're not good at playing dead. freaking baby size hand sanitizer. Nartec methamphetamine test. Looks like it's full of methamphetamine inside. Check it out, guys. I bought this police riot shield. I'm gonna use it for my skits and movies. Test it out real quick.
Police. Screw the police.
We got a criminal on the loose. Got my shield, bulletproof shield. I want a helicopter. I want $10,000 in cash. I want a new office and a lazy boy.
Alright, let's go. Day room's over. Let's go, gentlemen. Day room's over. I don't care if there's no hot water. This chow time, that's on you. Not my problem. Plumbers will be here tomorrow, I guess. Nurse will be here later, maybe, for a pill call, so just sit tight, okay?
Any guns?
No.
Check it out, guys. Tickets. Notice to appear. Regional Transit. I'm gonna play a prank on somebody. March 31st, 2017. Plus fees and taxes. This thing looks bent up. See that? Something happened. Charge guard.
You have reached the voicemail box of 707.
Yes, this is for Daniel. This is the Sacramento Probation Department. This is Mr. Bivens. I was trying to reach you earlier. I called earlier. Also, I had dispatch stop by your residence. There was no one home at the time. Please return my phone call as soon as you can. I have here sitting on my desk a police report that you were traveling at 66 miles per hour in a 45 mile per hour zone. I was on Auburn Boulevard on the 28th of this month. Unfortunately for you, it is a probation violation. I am recommending an additional 120 county jail stay. Either I'll see you at your upcoming court date, or in the meantime, if I can catch you on the street, I definitely will. Recommending being remanded. Again, this is Mr. Bivens, Probation Department, Sacramento office. Give me a call, 916-52. Do the right thing.
Oh my goodness, he's gonna be crapping his pants.
Man.
Guys, this is an old school siren speaker. It's a CPI SH2000. Super heavy. Super heavy. I also want to show you guys this thing I found. I found this in a San Francisco police car.
Control it.
Oh, perfect.
But I don't know, is this for the...
That'll fit? No, that's the driver's side.
No, there's one on that one though, right there.
There you go. There's one right there.
Alright, there's probably more of those too though.
Yeah. Diamond selector. You have no idea what this is. She looks sweet and innocent. Okay, remove the seats. What is this? You're gonna have to cut that.
I got a knife that'll do it.
Okay, look what I found. Secret button. Emergency ejection. Security man special blade. What you got there?
Recommended, because you got a pioneer woman. She's gonna defend you real good. Alright, let's do it. Might have to hack it.
Truck product center console. Has the cigarette lighter, map light, all this important wiring. Golf ball. Flashers. Sheffield knife. Nice. Computer mount. This thing is worth something. Look at that, guys. More goodies. See that? More flashers.
Funny Man's release date, brother.
Today?
Oh yeah.
Already?
State says we gotta let him go, but I mean
Damn.
he's been doing pretty good, so
All right.
I don't know.
Okay. All right. Let's
Just get him out of here.
get him out.
Your release date. Let's go. Roll it up.
Roll it up, funny man.
Release date.
Wake up.
R&R.
Wake up. Come on.
I got it.
You're being released.
Bill call. Jesus, you're still high in jail? Go, man.
Release date, funny man.
And his, you know what's a little loose. What happened in there?
Ah. No. Get him. Lina do it. Speed down. Back out. Oh!
Man, I'm so grimy. I told my bitch she could leave, and when she left, I told her you can catch me in the breeze, in the trees, with the G's, blowing something sick. Down, down,